A very good morning, dear students. We have already completed 6 chapters of your English grammar book. Today I'll explain the 7th chapter. The topic is verb. You might have got this topic in your previous classes. Now in this chapter you will get something more in detail. As you know, a verb is a word used for denoting an action or state. It also expresses an action done by the subject. From this definition, you have learned that a verb is a word which is used to denote an action, and secondly, it is a word which says something about the subject. For better understanding, let's take an example. Our first sentence is, the baby threw a ball. In this sentence, the word threw is verb, as it denotes the action, and it also expresses the action threw by the subject, the baby. Similarly, Mr. Das has a new car. In this sentence, the word has is verb, as it denotes the action of possession, so it is verb, and it tells us more about the subject, Mr. Das. So you have understood what is verb, I mean the definition of verb. Now, what is the object of a verb? Here we must remember that a verb always needs another word to complete the sense of the sentence. That another word is called object. Without an object, a sentence seems to be incomplete. Let's take an example. The child picks flowers. Here, flowers, the word flowers is the object of the sentence. The object of the sentence answers the question what. So if you ask what does the child pick, the answer is flowers. So the word flower is the object. Next you will learn about transitive verb and intransitive verb. A verb which requires an object to complete its sense is called transitive verb. I repeat, a verb which requires an object to complete its sense is called transitive verb. For example, Rahul paints a picture. Here, a picture is the object of the sentence, so the verb paints is a transitive verb. You will get a number of examples of transitive verb. To find out a transitive verb, you have to find out the object of the sentence. If the verb needs an object to complete its sense, it is called transitive verb. On the other hand, some verbs in some sentences are complete in itself. They do not require an object to complete the sense. Such verbs are called intransitive verb. For example, Maya sat down. I go to school. In both the sentences, sit down, sit and go are transitive verb, as these sentences are complete without an object. That's all for today. Thank you.